Okay, it's an amendment. If you don't have the Google Chrome browser, you can download it for free. So use whatever web browser it is that you currently have, and you can go Google Chrome browser. You probably don't even need to say browser. You can just say Google Chrome, search, and it pops up. See? Download and install Google Chrome. Download the installation file, run or click save, and then you can just drag that application onto the desktop or wherever it downloads on a Windows computer. Okay, I hope that helps. It's really that simple. Search for Google Chrome browser, download and install it to your computer, run it. The end.